Hello CS community. As you know, I have stopped creating mathematical problem solving videos for you because ChatGPT took my job, unfortunately. Now you don't need to be worried about finding solutions for your maths problem because ChatGPT will do that job for you. You can visit this chatgpt.com website and you will see this interface and you can write your maths problem over here and you can ask ChatGPT to give me detailed solution for this problem. And even if you're too lazy to write it, you can do one more thing. You can just take the image and you can give that image to ChatGPT like this, upload from computer, and that's completely free. And here I have the image which have very complex multiple integral problem of calculus 3. So I will ask ChatGPT to provide detailed solution for this maths problem and press enter. In a few moments, ChatGPT will solve this question for you and it will give you step-by-step solution to this mathematics problem. Okay, so here you see ChatGPT is doing this job very well for you. So in a few moments, you will have the complete solution of this problem, which will have definition of each step that you can learn from here. You can do practice by looking at the solution and the procedure of doing it a night before your exams, and later on you can write this in your exam.